Because you are so mean, really.
You're so mean.
Han?
Ano lang yan, Ate Pulse, buto lang talaga kasi bawal ako pa yung
gusto
may,
ko.
ano yan.
Sarap yan.
If you want to leave a notification.
Notification!
Good morning, Philippines!
No. Sabi ko sa kanya, wag nang magluluto. Good morning, everything. Good morning, everything. I want half of half.
No, half. You're not half of a half.
Yes, there is half of a half. If you cut it, there's a half of a half.
Half. A lot. Knock it off.
Do not get off me. I'm not a cat.
Ah, if you were a cat, I'd give you a swipe in the nose. I wouldn't say knock it off. I'd give you a swipe in the nose.
Naku, hubuan ta kami.
Right, sit while it's hot. I have your coffee cup. Son, knock it off.
Look. You're telling it again. Knock it off. Oh, you're telling it again. Good morning, hon. Good morning, everything. Pasensya na, guys. Maliligo ako ngayong umaga. Kasi magkita-kita na naman kaming mga inday. Mga inday talaga. Tommy put rice. Tingnan niyo yung omelet ni Tommy, guys. Rice and something. What else do you put here?
Cheese.
What is this orangey? Don't yell at me, Han.
I question your stuff.
Don't yell at me.
I don't question yours. Just don't question.
Don't yell at me.
Knock it off.
Don't yell. He like he like yelling at me, guys. I don't know. I feel kind of like doesn't want to be with him anymore.
Taikang Mataka.
The truth. He yelled at me. For some reason, he loved yelling at me. Magluluto na naman ako ng bagoong with tomato. Tommy, I'm going to cook shrimp paste again and bring to my friend, okay? So, ngayon, sa bahay na naman kami ni Mira. Nakilala nyo si Mira, guys, last year. I think that was before Christmas. It's good. I'll tell him the verdict. This is not the rice I made.
No.
This is a rice from the frozen.
Alright. Really? You don't like it?
It's not good. It's good, and I'm just joking. Kami na, eat na. Alahan, look at your son. He's coming. He's waving. Hi guys, nag-harvest ako guys ng tomato sa labas. Hindi ko kayo madala sa labas. Harvest tayo ng tomato. Ang sarap pala talaga kapag may garden. Look, palagi ko itong inuulit ha kasi. As in, ito, hilaw na tomato. Ang daming tomato na ganitong size, yung pahaba. Madami talaga siya. And then, pahinugin ko yun. And kinuha ko tong hilaw kasi the best siya sa sa bagoong. Ipa-fry nyo yung bagoong kasama yung hilaw na tomato. Wag yung hinog, guys, dahil yung hinog is siya, matubig. Ito naman is parang ma-crunchy pa kasi hilaw. Wag mo lang isama yung liso or something. Kunin mo lang yung mga liso, ang sarap niya. And also, mag-harvest ako ng green onion, scallion. Harvest tayo. Ulan sa labas, hindi ko kayo masama. At saka itong asawa ko is sobrang scotch. He's here. The Scotch husband. He like to annoy me.
I'm annoying you.
And he like to yell at me. I told him, stop talking to me if you're gonna keep yelling.
Guys, if you haven't figured this out, with my wife starts, she just doesn't stop. You're trying to answer her, but she just keeps on going, saying the same thing over and over again. Until you raise your voice, then she gets mad and says, oh, you yell at me, you're just so mean.
Because you are so mean, really.
You're so mean.
Han?
But meantime, otherwise you can't answer her because she just keeps talking.
Yeah, I'm not a talkative person.
You are.
And he said, did you hear that guys laugh? It's insulting. Anyway, so I'm going to get the green onion. Let's see. Meron tayong dito. I-mix ko yung spicy. I-mix ko yung spicy and not spicy. Kunti na lang yung natira natin. I-mix ko lang sila kasi yung spicy is red, not spicy is green. Look. Ito, Kamayan sauteed shrimp paste. So, yun siya. Ang hindi is spicy. And Konti lang yung regular na onion kasi ang damihan ko yung green onion, yung dahon. Ito na siya guys, yung tomato at saka onion. Ang ginawa ko is binabrown ko siya. Masarap kasi yan kapag sobrang brown. Yung pagod-pagod, yung pagod-pagod, diba? Ilagay natin si spicy. Konting spicy. Yan. And then, why is she afraid? Non-spicy. Non-spicy, guys. So, yun. Umalis si Tami. Nagmamadali. Wala siyang problema, pero ina-avoid niya. Okay. Oh my God. Pumunta agad siya sa garahe. So, yun. Madali lang naman siya lutuin, guys. Hindi. Mayroon pa tayong green onion. Hold on. Nakalimutan ko yung green onion. Green onion, green onion, green onion. Masarap kasi ito siya. Kalimutan ko yung green onion ay. Diba? Ngayon siya. Naliligo si Tami. Ito yung suot ko eh. At saka, yung dito, yung sa akin problema, is nilagyan ko siya ng something. I think poison ivy. Hindi ko alam bite or poison ivy or something. Hindi ko talaga gets. Ready na daw si Lo. Waiting for me. Oopsie. Kunin ko lang yung mail. Kung anong meron. Hold on guys. Dito na yung mga sulat natin. Mga magazine. Yung ano tayo ng ano. Dahil yung sasakyan ko, guys, amoy bagoong, guys. Oh my God. Amoy bagoong. Anyway, guys, I will see you later. Magpunta sana kami sa ano, doon sana yung papunta namin sa, yung pinuntahan namin the last time, yung sa, ano, my lake. Kaso lang, ulan. Mag-picnic sana ulit kami, kaso ulan, you know, para ang dilim ng panahon ngayon. So, sabi pa ni Mira, sa bahay na lang daw nila. So, andito na kami kay ano.
Hello everything! Miss Tapia!
Stop
In!
Hihintayin namin si Lloydie. Dito lang si Lloydie. Ang kilikili.
Ayan, tumutubo ng ano nun. Tumutubo ng hair. Ano ginagawa po pag ganyan?
Wax.
Wax? Ay.
Sarap ng wax. Ay.
Ew. Masakit!
No, ang sarap nga. Kaya nga gusto ko ng mataas kasi pag ganon mo, pag ganon, dala lahat. And then ang dinig mo is ang sarap.
Naku, di ba yung pumunta kami ni BFF sa ano, sa nagpaayos siya ng hair niya. Ayun lang yung kilay ko, winax.
Masakit. Sana, sakit
Hindi. Kasi sanay naman akong binubunot kaya saka hindi masyadong marami. Sa kilikili naman, hindi ko kailangan mga ganyan kasi pinakamahaba, marami kong buhok. 12. Sandosena. Buhok pa ng pusa.
Buti ka.
Ano tawag nila? Balahibong pusa.
Miss Tapia. Miss Tapia number 2.
Kumakaway pa. Ayun pala. Ayun siya na si Mark.
Asa si Mark?
Ayun na.
Hindi makita si Mark.
Ayun na. Nakita ko ng kamay eh. Yung palad.
Ay, Miss Tapia number 2.
Yep.
Ay, tarungin mo yan. Magkayabo-yabo.
Hindi. Kasi nakasiyaw.
Bago ko siya nilagyan ng takip, nilagyan ko siya ng wrap.
Okay.
Tapos sa labas, wrap ulit. So,
Hmm.
hindi siya mangangamoy
Okay.
sa babasa.
Eh, ako hindi pa pwede nandun sa likod kasi alam mo na yung danggit na
Nakita ko kay Mark, sabi ni Mark, smelly.
Kahit sa picture, ha?
I smell
Hala.
Nagluto,
Address.
Nagluto ako.
Ni Mira.
Continuous lang tayo sa
Kumusta, be?
Pero okay lang.
Ang bilis mo nagluto. Ang bilis ninyo nagluto.
Maaga ako binagluto kasi nga, tulog si Mark para hindi niya maamoy.
Pati ba naman yun? Ano ba yun? Isda
Ano,
ba?
isda?
Hindi.
Yung karne.
Ano lang yan, adipose buto lang talaga kasi bawal ako
Oh,
pa yung
gusto
may,
ko.
ano yan.
Sarap
Ang
yan.
pinaka-purpose ko lang yan kasi may sabaw man lang.
Oo.
Dahil,
Oo. Tamang-tamang combination natin. May gulay na langka.
dapat sinigang kaso nga hindi ako makakain.
May
Langka ang ano? Oh
Oo,
my God.
niluto ni Mirantot langka daw eh. Kaya sabi ko, sige, daing naman, tuyo naman sa akin.
Tama, may sabaw.
Oh, tapos ngayon may oh my gosh. Nadala akong melon,
Oh.
saka cherries para sa fruits. Oh, diba?
Sabi ni Mark,
Tayo na naman ang aming tami.
maghahasi kayo ng lagim.
Hindi talaga makalabas ang ano.
Kasi ganyan ginagawa namin eh.
Hala guys, pang Instagram Instagramable.
No one does not want to see that.
Do you wanna eat it?
No, I hate fish.
Can you try for me?
No.
No? Okay.
You have to eat fish.
Have to try to eat that.
If you eat one of this, you will be more good looking.
Tapos tignan mo ba yun?
My dad tried that on me before with a cherry. I don't like chips. I tried that on me.
I know you just eat rice. That's it.
No,
Hala,
I don't
hala.
just eat one.
Guys, si Lloydie po nagluto nito, guys. Grabe. Grabe yung pagkaputos niya na sure talagang hindi lalabas yung ano. Grabe, Lloydie.
Hindi makahinga yung ano.
Tuna's
Oh my
disgusting.
God.
Hala, it smells good.
Tuna's
Oh my
disgusting.
God.
Gosh,
Sabaw lang talaga.
Tapos gulay.
Yan siya. Magaling talaga yan sa sabaw.
So, yun ang alam ko sa
Parehas kayo magaling kayo magluto ng
No, hindi ako, yung sabaw, hindi ako maano talaga. Magaling.
Hindi gusto nga ni Jay yung
Yung
luto
manok
mo
lang.
Yung tinola.
Yung tinulang manok
Sabi niya,
masarap.
di ba? Luto ka pa. Marian, just cook more.
Gusto niya, no?
Gusto niya.
Hoy, kunti lang yung dinala ko, Mira.
Ano?
Na bagoong.
Ay.
Okay lang yan to? Sabi pa ni Tami, luto ka lang dyan. Sabi ko, sorry. I have to do this.
Nilagyan mo ulit ng ano.
Oo. Yan, bagoong.
Kulang pa isa.
Okay, yung mga, hindi sila kakain. Hala, guys, ang bango.
May favorite ko lang ay favorite ko red. Basta red, nagtitwinkle lang mata ko. Alam niya ni Tito Jay.
Langka, guys.
Pag may red car and everything, nagtitwinkle ang aking mata. Ako dito na.
Kain kami, guys, ha. Mugmukbang lang ako.
gusto mo
Huwag na
naman
sila.
sabaw.
Aray, ang init.
It's
Aray, ang
hot.
init sa kalibutan.
Maxie, go get a gallon of water from inside.
Andiyan, meron naman dyan lang.
Yeah.
So it's okay.
Okay,
Later na
okay,
yan.
okay. Ang init, Ludi.
Init?
Init yung rice.
O, asan ang kuan? Alin?
Alin?
Meron akong pangsandog dyan kanina. Wala. Taga-taga lang muna. Sige na lang.
Ang sarap, uy.
Ang...
Ano to? Lemongrass?
Mom, make sure
Ooh,
Ginger didn't get out of the house.
Okay.
Did you make sure?
Just keep closing the door so she doesn't come out.
Mom, we don't know if she comes out before we close the door. We had 80 grand
Hey,
until Dad
magkanusblid
spent it
ako.
all. We had 80 grand. 80 grand until Dad spent it all.
Pa dyan, ha?
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you wanna adventure than fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
Amoy na amoy ko yung...
Mood Pinas, no, diba?
Alam mo ba ate, bago ako umalis sa Pilipinas, pinadala na ako ng mama ko.
Sugar na lang. Ikaw talaga.
Sabi ng mama ko, magdala ka
Joke lang ganito. Ikaw talaga.
ayoko nang may dala-dalang ipapacheck pa sa ano.
Sa?
Wag aakyat yan. Oh, don't climb. You're gonna fall.
You're gonna become pulpul.
Mapulpul na yung uto. Okay. No, Max, don't climb. Don't climb. Don't go climb up on the car.
Save ko, di ba sinare ko din para makuha ko.
Kaso lang nasa process.
Tinatag man kita. Hindi mo
Hindi, nakatag niya, pero ako kasi ang tag ko. Ako lang nakakakita.
Ikaw lang nakita.
Kailangan ko i-share.
Hold like that. Like that.
Hello?
Okay, talk. Hello everything.
Hello, everybody.
No, not everybody. Hello everything.
I can say because everybody.
No, everything. You know why everything? Because there is a vlogger that named Everything. Miss Everything.
I think I know that blogger.
You know him? Miss Everything?
Yeah.
She wants to be a blogger. You need
So
to
you
start
better
now.
pay attention. Come on, you're on
something.
the roll.
Hello, I'm Max. Welcome to the.
Max Life.
That doesn't make any sense. It's not a real YouTube channel.
Okay,
You know what?
okay.
I'm just gonna call it Unspeakable 27.
Okay, so now you start.
This is Unspeakable 27. Hello, welcome to Speakable 27.
May channel na pala to.
Today we're gonna play some
So what's your name again? You better tell the people so they can subscribe you.
Max. Subscribe and like the channel. If you want to, leave a notification.
Notification. Alam na this. Alam na this. Okay, please talk to my viewers.
Hello, people in the world who are watching this. Please subscribe, like the video, and leave a notification. Hit that little bell. Hit the bell. Hit the bell to subscribe to. And let's get into the video. We gotta start the show, Mom. We gotta start.
Be careful,
What
okay?
show?
3, stat, go.
Okay.
Hello. My name is Omir.
Today we're gonna ask Mila questions.
Why?
Who was the first president of the United States of America?
That was
We're gonna start. Okay,
You have to hold
next
the camera
question.
properly. That is
Who's
not
your very best friend? Your best friend.
Hala.
Why did you move to America? Choose them. This one who has a YouTube channel. Subscribe to a channel. Subscribe to a channel, please.
okay. Next question.
Subscribe.
Please
it.
comment down below if you want me to have a YouTube channel so I didn't show my face that much. Subscribe to, you know, whose channel. Right there.
Okay, maganda ito sa ano, mag-YouTube talaga to. Maganda to kasi ano siya. Alam niya yung mga salita.
Subscribe to her channel.
Yeah, and also to his channel.
My,
Hello. Hi, love. Where is your sister? Where is your sister, baby? Where is your sister? Huh? Where is your sister, love? Hi guys, I am home. And si Tami andun sa labas. Inaayos yung refrigerator, guys. Oh, grabe. Ang galing ng asawa ko, guys. Yung ano, inayos niya. Parang naayos naman ang maayos. I think, pinakain na ni Tami yung pusa. Pinakain na. Binigyan ako ni Lu ng ano. Thank you, Lu, if you're watching. Ano siya, maluwag. Thank you, Lo. And yun, saka si Mira. Thank you, Mira, sa ano. I don't know if she's watching. Si Mira ng budbud, ang suman. Ang sarap ng suman.
It was alright. Like I said, I got this little outdoor refrigerator fixed finally.
Oh, it's done. So yun siya guys, naayos niya yung refrigerator. Tama-ups, ang galing talaga ng baby ko. Ang galing ng asawa ko, grabe. Ang galing. Nilagay ko yung ano dun guys, look, yung halaman ko. Galing doon sa sink, sa window, sa my sink. Nilagay ko siya doon, so, kasi ano siya eh. It's gonna blow up. Put it down again. Tell me to stop. Hindi ko tinubigan yung garden ko today. Yan, okay naman sila. Basa pa yan ay. Okay, let's check the ano guys, yung refrigerator na inayos ni Mr. Is it cold? Oh, I get cold. A little bit for now.
Feels cold, right?
Yeah. May string beans na tayo. How's your day?
You can feel it better if you lean down, open up. You can feel it better with your face than you could the way you did.
Yeah. So he fixed it, look. He did it. And what is this?
There's a window fan. I was going to use that motor, but I didn't need to.
Why?
Because the fan...
Oh, this is the one from the other house?
Capacitor is like a storage charge, so it takes 120 volts and stores up a big boost, so it can
Okay.
start it. If you hook it up wrong, it can explode.
Like explode the
Has
house.
the gas. No, capacitor still only this big. It'll explode. It'll damage everything in there.
Hi guys! It's already 8:30. My God, 8:30. Okay, honey. Think what you're going to eat. Hindi na lang ako nagluto. Magluto sana ako. Sabi ko, oh my God, wag na. Late na. My other watch, guys. Tommy think that we can fix it. I mean, just battery, guys. It just need battery, but we don't have.
I have to go to CVS to find that kind of battery.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching the video today. Yon, thank you, and we'll see them tomorrow, love.
Yes. Hey guys.
He's
See you
sweating.
tomorrow. Sorry I'm a mess.
He is working the whole day in this heat weather. He's such a good worker.
I hate heat.
He hates heat. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night.
Goodbye.